All right, guys, this is the 8-in-1 electric cleaning brush. It's rechargeable, it's cordless, it's got tons of different attachments. Come on over here for a second. So, first of all, this is the main part of the device itself, and it's rechargeable. And all you do to charge it is it comes with a USB-C charging cable that just plugs into the bottom here. You just plug that in and then plug the other end into your computer or a USB wall outlet, which they also provide you. So it's that easy to charge up. There's a couple of cool things about this. It even comes with a wall holder. So this is an adhesive thing. It sticks to it. And you can just put this on a wall, like in your laundry room or something. So it's always just hanging there and you can just pull it off of there. There's a lot of different attachments, a lot of different brushes for cleaning shower tiles, bathroom tiles, like all sorts of different things, getting in the grout, like all that stuff. You can even wash and polish your car if you want to. This thing's super versatile, and it even has some real soft ones too. So what we're going to do here is I'm just going to put this together real quick and just run it on my bathroom tile in the shower. So it comes with an attachment which we're going to use today, just to kind of show you how that works. So all we do with that is just press that in there, and then obviously you can see this is expandable, right? So it's got a nice little expansion to it. So that's all you have to do to turn it on, and then you just press M to start, and then you can press M again, and it'll speed up. So there's 3 different speeds. So basically what you do is you get your soap down there, whatever you need, and this thing's got power, and you can use it to scrub pretty much anything, dude. This thing's going to be a multi-use thing. I mean, if you're on this page, it's because you're looking for a multi-use device like this. This thing seems super sturdy, super high quality, and it seems like it gets the job done. At the end of the day, I think you can probably find probably at least 10 to 30 different companies selling something like this. Move on with your life, get this, and be happy.